Okay, Eric, hi.
Hi, Chris. Welcome. Welcome to Aumovio's booth today and to our branded personalized cockpit. So this display is showcasing how we can take an individual display and cockpit system and make it really personalized for the user. Taking different elements from our technologies here, 3 different types of technologies incorporated into this system in order to give a full, comprehensive feeling of immersive personalization that is capable. So let me show you how we do that, okay? The first one that we have here is this OLED. It's a 12.3-inch OLED. It's a fully automotive qualified OLED now that we have developed. But what's real interesting is that we have a UDC, which is our under display camera, in the active area of the display. So the great thing is you probably don't see it because it is meant not to be seen. So in that regards, when I do turn on our little app here, then you see the camera location and you can see your camera there filming what is happening. That is the location of the camera there, and you can see as it cycles through red, green, blue, different themes that we can have, that camera is fully invisible.
So this is an infrared camera.
Yes.
What's the plan for an RGB camera?
RGB camera is still in our development plan, so not to be forgotten, but right now we are ready to develop this for application-specific input in production. So this is first on the list.
Okay.
But RGB is definitely a high interest too, right?
And you can place that camera anywhere in the screen.
Yes. So what's really unique about this OLED that we've developed is that camera can be located where you currently show it, or we can move it in different locations based off the vehicle configuration for steering wheel and things of that nature that have to be taken into account. No degradation in the PPI. So the PPI for this 12.3 is 167. That camera can go anywhere under that. Doesn't need to be reduced, doesn't need to have any special influence from the display in that regards.
And some of these under display cameras have different PPIs around where the camera is, my understanding.
Yes, that is true. Depending on some capabilities that can be a limitation in some.
Okay, gotcha.
We also have that capability here that you see to do seatbelt detection. So with our Trinamics partner, seatbelt detection will detect the material when it's over your shoulder and be able to verify proper usage. Another application is the 3D depth map. So this is allowing us to tell you or tell the system how far away you are located from the steering wheel, for example, for airbag deployment systems, how fast or how slow does that need to come up, things of that nature that we can then detect on the user. And then, of course, really interesting is the biosensing that we have, which is then detecting the pulse in this example of the skin having the blood flow through that. So it's giving you the reading on similar to what you get nowadays in watches and some other things like that, but with the camera technology.
Oh, really? Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. Yep.
So then moving away from what we have here, we have this 34-inch OLED. So
this is flat and there's no curve.
There is, yeah, correct. It's flat. Doesn't have to be flat, but in this case, we have it as that. The interesting thing is what we're showing is when we want to view video for the passenger, we have the requirements that we can't have the driver monitoring or taking part in the video.
Right.
So we have an active privacy function in which then the screen is dark for the driver, but still fully viewable for the passenger.
Yes, and I have seen other demonstrations of this where they're using a dual OLED pixel architecture. That's not what you're using here.
That is not what we're using here. We are using a different panel over top of the display, the OLED, in order to accomplish that. And we're configurable on where we want to place that privacy selection. It doesn't have to be defined strictly there, but we can work to make that optimized if it needs to be changed.
And there is just a little bit of bleed through I can see here, but it still meets the under 1.5%.
Yeah, well, at 25 degrees, we're under 1.5%.
Yeah, it's kind of amazing. You can see less than 1.5% bleed through, but
yeah. So then continuing, so I can turn that back on, but then we can also go to what we're doing with more of the personalized themes, right? So we can change different themes and we can apply that And not only do you get the screens to implement that change, but then we get our e-ink technology that we've been developing for automotive grade. This is different from our last year's technology in which we had the monochrome version, but now this is a color version. And as you see it transition, the interesting thing is once you have whatever theme is dictated by yourself, by the OEM, or however off the cloud, different options there, of course, then you get this color implicated into that display and it stays there. So once we then turn off the displays, these will go black, of course, like typical displays, but this could be your whole IP and can be then retaining that color, zero power usage in that state, in which then you have your branded personalized cockpit.
Yes, indeed. And I understand you're also working with e-ink to improve both the materials as well as the driving for this too, because that flashing is a little annoying.
Yeah, so there is some optimization being done in order to remove the flashing. This transition does happen for about 10 to 15 seconds, but once that's done, then it's complete. And then, yeah, the goal would be to reduce that to probably a 3-4 seconds. So the concept here is not to use this as a real information display, but more of a decal surface design in which then the personalization can come through on that with lots of different alternatives and options the end user can then have.
Okay. And the two OLED panels should be ready for 28 model years and maybe a year or two for the e-ink.
Exactly. Everything on the OLEDs is ready now, and then this is still a slight development that we will have ready soon.
Awesome.
Thank you very much, Chris.
All right.